Are you comfortable, Joe?
I'm happy.
Are you good? All right, we're good. We're good. You're good. You're good. Everyone is good. All right. I'm not good. I'm kneeling. I'm kneeling here. But anyhow, all right. So here it is, folks. Look at this. The glove compartment is not working at all. And it's not locked. It's not on the lock position. So guess what? This is not a mechanical latch. It actually has an actuator and it has a motor. This thing operates with a motor, believe it or not. So we have to open it with a key, right? The motor is inside here. So we're gonna have to take this out. So let me show you, instead of taking the whole glove compartment out, which is a job and a half, what we're gonna do is take this cover over here. And how I did it, I pulled one corner, this corner, the left corner, and you see the clip here, that came out. Then I went to this one, this one, this one, this one, unclip it, push it, and it comes right off. Be careful, there's an airbag here. So highly recommend to disconnect the battery, just in case. I didn't do it, I'm taking the risk, but I don't want any of you guys to do so. All right, now the next thing to do is to take a T20 and take 1, 2, 3 bolts. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. Let me bring the mirror. So there's one bolt here, there's another bolt here, and there's another bolt here, which is a total of 3. So let's take those out. I already unloosened them. That's why I'm doing it by hand, by the way. They're not. Yeah, so that's the second one.
I was just staying away from that airbag in case you unscrewed the wrong one.
I'll be in the back seat. All right, so the 3 bolts are out with a T20, by the way. So now the key is to take this out right here. And in order to do that, you have to push this latch in and this latch in and try to take it out. There we go. So I pushed it up. There we go. Oh wow, let's see if I can unplug. All right, so now it gives me more play. Now you can see it better. Let me see. I mean, you can probably hear the little click. You hear it? But it's not moving. Now that we got the unit out, which was very simple, by the way. This project was not that difficult yet. Let's test. We need to test the unit and figure out what's the problem. So I already started working on it. The first thing you have to do is just take this gear out, right here, this gear out. And how you do it, you use either pliers or something similar like this and just press these plastic pieces and pull the gear out. Once you take this gear out, you pull this out. You take it out, actually not pull it, take this out. Take a T-bolt from here, here, and here. Take the spring out that hooks into here. And then slowly, I don't want to take the whole thing out, you just pull it out. And there it goes. This is the other gear right here. You can take this out. And this is the motor. We went ahead and tested the motor. There's nothing wrong with the motor, actually. We went ahead and tested the motor to make sure that it works, and it does work. So we tested the motor. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean the gears. I'm gonna clean the casing, the gears here, gear here, here, lube it, and put it back together. I believe the reason was that this oil and the oil, I took some of it out already. It was hardened, it was hard, and it was creating friction and not allowing the motor to move. All right, so I'm gonna clean these gears, put it back together, and that should solve it. I think we're good. I think we're good, folks. All right, so let's try to put this back in. First thing, let's slide the wire underneath. Second, use those clips right there. Third, push this sucker in. There you go. Wow. Let's see.
So what'd you have to do to get that to go in?
Well, you gotta move this piece a little bit and slide it in, and then it goes in. And then, of course, bring these clips in so it slides through here and here. All right. Do it first with your hand, and then tighten it up just a bit, not much. Let's see, this one goes easy. I hope it does. Please do. Stay there. Don't explode. This explodes, it's gonna hurt. This will hurt, folks. All right. Let's tighten it up and we should be good. Don't over tighten it. This is all plastic, you will break it. Good. All right, let's try it on. Look at that, folks. Done. Fix. Now let's put this cover on and we are done. So there's two clips here, one here, one here. And there's the hole there and there. Make sure you slide those in first. There we go. There, yes, they're in. And now you do one at a time, like that. There we go. Look at this. Done. Job complete. Till next project.